Home to you. We say we go buy one. We just have stare for no space, so home to you.
I know, but your mother really deal with me away.
There, so go me and talk to her. What about that thing, man, Shireen? I'm not going to nobody disrespect you, alright? Even if I'm a mother, I don't want nobody to hurt you. Come on, you see you.
I don't know why she don't like me. I don't know what I'm do. I try everything and she just...
Shireen, oh, go on. Long time I didn't see you still. You look better.
JD? What are you doing here? Why you here?
You still a mumble and a go like you know no sense. I would avoid it. Yo, watch how you talk to my woman, you know. Me's a well man and man, you know. But me disrespect you. Watch, you know. Yo, woman. Look, boy, you think you're a bad man? Excuse me there. Come in and chat to you, my ex-wife. Your wife? You shouldn't even utter them words out of your mouth, man. Leave her alone, you know. Cause you know who you deal with. Watch your step, you know, man. Yo, you think I'm afraid of you? Yo, look, boy, go on about your business, you know. What you think you do? They said don't come nowhere near her. Yo, I know about you in a day. I forgot to tell you, look, a girlfriend or what is so. The things them where you been up to, you know.
Daddy, just leave it alone.
I'm afraid of that boy there. Wait, man. But I go see you again in a sharing. You alright?
You must be out of your blasting mind if you think say me I gonna make you there and chat up to that idiot boy there. Walk it in your head now, Sherini. You're supposed to do your schoolwork. I get good grades and everything and you still have a problem with everything Mama do, mommy. I don't understand why I can't talk to him. You think me and your father pay all these money for you to sit down there with some idiot dunce said boy after you not understand. He's not dunce, he's very intelligent. And I love him, mommy. Love him? What you know about love? You was 16 years old and you come tell me about love? Love what? You can't love some boy like that? Like what? You're judging him just because of where him come from? That's not right.
Young lady, watch how you speak to your mother. Do you want me to send you back to America to live with my mother? You are being very disrespectful right now to both of us. You will not see that boy.
I'm not going nowhere, daddy. You can't make me. I'm not leaving daddy. Nowhere. I love him and I don't care what the two owners say. I'm gonna be with him forever. But I can't change that. Daddy, mommy, me tell me say she not understand it, you know. But they might just don't give me all her inheritance.
Yo, Octavia. Man, go down on JPS go pay the light bill, you know. You want it?
Nah, man, babes. Alright. My belly kinda hurt me from yesterday, so I gotta relax.
Yeah? You sure? You sure you don't bring you to the hospital?
Nah, man, it's alright. If anything happen, me tell your brother to call you.
Alright, just take care of yourself, okay? And my baby. Love you and Octavia more than anything. No worry, man. I'll come back and give you one back massage, alright? I'm gonna hot up some water for you so you can feel nice and comfortable while you relax a bit.
Thank you so much. You know, I love you more than anything, Anthony.
No, man.
Love you. You're the best thing who ever happened to me. Nah lie. I'm just glad to see you there for me.
Alright, man. You know, baby, yeah? When I'm a priority right now. And my other kids, them. But still. I'll take good care of you. No worry about nothing. I love you more than anything. Later.
You finished the assignment already? But didn't search just skill it? You know, say all of the boy them in the class still ask for you. You're not even there, and you're still the populous girl in the class.
I just 1, 2, 3, and they're really hard.
You know how long it took me to finish it the last time? Plus, you have some homework for maths class too, unless you done it already. You know, see me, I'll call Chantal over, see if she can come help you out.
I don't know what that's in a Naomi. From being in the hospital, she not even come look for me. She not one good friend.
Maybe she'll go through something. You know, her family life not really right.
Yeah, but she could have still come look for me though. How much things me do for her. She not a good person. She a wicked friend.
Yo, eat that girl. Clean out the kitchen now when I'm there. That's how the place stink. Yeah, come make the baby something for you, you know. What do you think they have her? Yeah, man, baby. I make him a second wife, you know. Do your thing. I'm Brady, you know. Ah, sexiness, sexiness, yeah, man. That's something I live for a long time. Oh, I know you are the one. Can leave your favor. No, you show you that at all. Yeah, yeah, shake your body, yeah, 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 yeah. That man like out there. Yo, you, your hair look so, man. You have a girl and your hair look so? You don't make Aisha do your hair. Yo, I'm kind of avoiding her, and she's kind of acting all crazy and shit. We expect my youth a church girl that, you know, almost the craziest girl them that, you know, my youth. Yo, I don't know, man. At first she was all nice and stuff, but man, she's too wild for me. Like, she wants to do some freaky ass shit. Well, brother, you have to deal with that by yourself, you know, later.
Oh, hi Andy. I never see you. How's everything with you? Your hair look kinda wild still.
Naomi, can you do my hair for me? You can do some simple cornrows. Like, I'll pay you if you don't mind doing it. I mean, I can't walk around with my head like this all day, you know, I'm gonna look like a crazy person. So, do you mind?
You don't have to pay me, I'll do it for free. I mean, you're my friend, uncle. I don't understand how you think so you can just come back in our lives like this after you disown your own pitney.
Donna, you don't even know I'm sorry. You don't even know. I miss you, Donna.
Miss me? Look how much years I mean I see you. Octavia don't even know who you is. He's a wicked person.
No, I'm doing alright, Donna. Oh, please. I beg you. Just let me get for know my daughter, please. That's all I ask you for.
If you didn't want to know who she is, you would have come home from a long time. Not just know what you your old man know you suffer. You want to come know who she is. Wicked.
Come on, Donna, you know, see me and you couldn't there, cause I'm a wife and thing, you know that.
And everything I give up for you. And you just dash me away so. You never have no respect for me at all, Adi. When you love you more than anything. You know that.
No, man, Donna, I know. I'm gonna make it up to you, I promise. I promise.
That food that smell good still in a baby. How you cook for me?
I know, you never cook your meal, Frank and beans. You know, as an officer of the law, I have to arrest you for looking so damn sexy in the day, yeah. Look on that body there. Big fat and cock up. Love you, you know. So, what go on for the day with you? You alright? How's you and Junior doing? Alright, you know what, Junior kinda hungry, so you bring money. Yeah, I'm gonna go buy him something to eat at the shop, if you don't mind. Cause you know Junior's there already, him love him belly. Junior, my boy, you don't want to go peer places today. You go, I'm gonna bring it all over the place. I'm gonna bring out Moby, Trios, everything.
Them places they're full of food. Can you know me love food, you know? More patty. Give me my patty, eh?
Hey boy Junior, come eat it in and stop chat about party, you too crave. Food ready, the babes. Boy, man, Junior get really heavy. Can barely lift you up. Mikey, me have some more until you know. But me have make you finish eat your food first, and me tell you after. Big news, you're gonna be so excited. Octavia, I think you're water broke or something. I don't know. I don't remember some shit from health class. Oh my god. Yo, Andy, get the car key. Come on, hurry up.